In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Netflix auto-renewal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your plan won't renew, while keeping access for the rest of your current billing period. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Netflix website. You can type the address directly or search for Netflix and select the official result. This walkthrough uses the website because it gives you full access to account settings in a clean, consistent layout. When the site loads, sign in to your account. Use the same login you normally use for watching shows. If you see multiple profiles after signing in, remember that these are viewing profiles within the same account. You only need to cancel once at the account level to stop auto-renewal for the entire membership. Once you're on the Netflix home screen, look to the top right corner and find your profile icon. Click the small arrow next to it to open the account menu. This menu is where Netflix groups your personal settings, profile controls, and billing options. From that menu, select Account. You'll be taken to your account overview page. This page includes details about your plan, your payment method, and tools to make changes. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account if you manage more than one. Near the top of the account page, find the section labeled Manage Membership. Click Manage Membership to expand the available options. This is where Netflix provides billing controls, including starting, pausing, or ending your membership. Next, click Cancel Membership. This is the action that stops future automatic renewals. On the page that follows, Netflix will clearly explain what cancellation means for your access and your billing. Typically, your membership will remain active until the end of your current cycle, so you can keep streaming until that date. You can also return later to restart your membership at any time with just a few clicks. Netflix may ask for a brief reason for canceling, which is optional and helps them improve the service. After completing the process, watch for a confirmation on screen and, in many cases, a confirmation email. If you don't see the cancel membership option, don't worry. Sometimes accounts are billed through a third party, such as a mobile carrier or an app store. In those cases, the account page usually indicates where your billing is managed, so you know what to check. That's it. To recap, go to Netflix on the web, sign in, open the profile menu, choose account, click Manage Membership, and then select Cancel Membership. Take your time on each page, read the prompts, and you'll be done in minutes.